Here are the top 10 destinations to visit in New Zealand. Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, Auckland, offers a vibrant urban experience with a stunning natural backdrop. Explore the iconic Sky Tower, visit the Auckland War Memorial Museum, and relax on the beautiful beaches of the Hauraki Gulf. Rotorua, known for its geothermal wonders, Maori culture, and outdoor adventures, Rotorua is a must-visit destination. Explore the bubbling mud pools and geysers of Waiotapu Thermal Wonderland, experience traditional Maori culture at Te Puia, and relax in the soothing waters of the Polynesian Spa. Queenstown, renowned as the adventure capital of New Zealand, Queenstown offers an adrenaline-fueled experience against the backdrop of stunning alpine scenery. Enjoy thrilling activities such as bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating, or take a scenic cruise on Lake Wakatipu. Milford Sound, located in Fiordland National Park, Milford Sound is one of New Zealand's most breathtaking natural wonders. Take a scenic cruise through the inlet, marvel at the towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, and spot wildlife such as seals, dolphins, and penguins. Wanaka, nestled beside Lake Wanaka and surrounded by mountains, Wanaka is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the picturesque landscapes on hiking trails such as the Rob Roy Glacier Track, go mountain biking in the surrounding hills, or simply relax on the shores of Lake Wanaka. Wellington, New Zealand's capital city, Wellington, offers a vibrant arts and cultural scene, as well as stunning natural beauty. Visit Te Papa Tongarewa, the National Museum of New Zealand, explore the lively waterfront precinct and ride on the iconic Wellington cable car for panoramic views of the city. Bay of Islands, located in the far north of New Zealand, the Bay of Islands is famous for its pristine beaches, historic sites, and abundant marine life. Take a cruise around the bay to see dolphins and whales, visit the historic town of Russell, and explore the Waitangi Treaty Grounds, where the treaty between Maori chiefs and the British Crown was signed in 1840. Franz Josef Glacier, one of New Zealand's most accessible glaciers, Franz Josef Glacier offers a unique opportunity to experience the beauty of the Southern Alps up close. Take a guided glacier hike, soar above the ice fields on a helicopter tour, or relax in the nearby hot pools. Napier, known as the Art Deco capital of New Zealand, Napier is famous for its beautifully preserved architecture and stunning coastal scenery. Take a guided walking tour of the city to admire its Art Deco buildings, visit the National Aquarium of New Zealand, and explore the nearby vineyards of Hawke's Bay. Abel Tasman National Park, located at the top of the South Island, Abel Tasman National Park is renowned for its golden beaches, turquoise waters, and lush native bush. Explore the park on foot via the Abel Tasman Coast Track, kayak along the pristine coastline, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sunshine. These destinations offer a diverse range of experiences, from thrilling adventure activities to serene natural beauty, making New Zealand a truly unforgettable destination for travelers.